Hey, and welcome back to my channel, and sorry it's been so long. I've already recorded this video once, but I forgot to turn my microphone on. With more and more people adding drones to their camera bag, I thought I would make a two-part video where I would cover some useful drone shots, some tips and techniques, and also some editing techniques which will help you get the most out of your footage, whether you're editing for travel videos, for vlogs, or for cinematic style videos. It will be in part 2 where I'll be showing you some editing techniques, and I'll also be giving away some free LUTs for your drone footage. If you want to skip to certain parts of the video, in the description I've put time codes next to each topic that I cover. So my first tip is a must-have drone accessory, which is ND filters. Everybody always says that the best time to shoot drone footage is either sunrise or sunset. Obviously this looks amazing with the lighting, but for people that do travel videos or vlogs, this isn't always possible. Also, for people in the UK, you could be waiting for ages to shoot the sunrise or sunset just because the weather is so bad. The solution is to invest in some decent ND filters if your drone can take them, as this will help to stop overexposing your footage. To stick to the rules of your shutter speed being double your frame rate, and to help keep your ISO down, get some good quality ND filters which will help. I will link in the description below to the ones that I use for my DJI Mavic Pro, and so far they have worked great. Here is some comparison footage in my back garden where I've used ND 4, 8, 16 and 32, just so you can see the difference between them all. Tip number 2 is drone laws. Whenever or wherever you plan to use your drone, always make sure to check the local drone laws, as each country does have its own specific drone laws, and you don't want to get to a place where you won't be able to use your drone. Also, if you're planning on shooting in a specific location or attraction, always make sure to get the company's permission first. A lot of companies do actually have their own rules and regulations for using the drones on their site, but they aren't always very well advertised. I shot a video last year where I stupidly didn't check about the local drone laws, and when I came to editing the video and I put it all together and made it live, they contacted me to say that they weren't that happy because it would promote other people being able to use their drones. Now, they made an exception in my case because they liked the video and they wanted to use it to promote their site, but it's just something to bear in mind that a lot of companies won't allow the use of drones because it encourages others to do it as well. Also, as a side note for people in the UK, if you plan on using your drones at national trust sites, always make sure to seek their permission first, as a lot of national trust sites won't allow the use of drones, and it's mainly because of the wildlife and disturbing them. Tip number 3, and this is some specific drone shots that I like to do, the point of interest shots, and these are my personal favourites. I really enjoyed doing these anyway, but thanks to a tutorial I saw on Ryan Nangle's channel, you can now make this sort of footage look even more epic, especially if you shoot with a DJI drone where they've got the intelligent fly mode point of interest, which makes it so much easier to do. So that's it for part 1, thanks for watching. Join me in part 2 where I'll be showing you some things that you can do when editing your drone footage, and I will also be including some free LUTs specifically for your drone footage, so don't miss it. I hope you found this useful, and as always, thank you for watching. And if you're on Instagram, why not come and check me out at what Alex did and come and say hey. And to those already subscribed, I will see you next time. And to those who aren't, what's the matter with you? Hopefully see some of you in the next video. Laters.